Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save your translation on the Google Translate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should select your source and target language that you can do so at the top of the screen. As you can see, now it is selected, it's set to English and French. If you want to change any of these, tap on the relevant one, so you can type in the language you want to change it for by tapping on the search bar. Or if you scroll down, you are also able to select from a bunch of languages. Then tap on the enter text box and type in your text or word that you want to translate. And if you want to add it to the section called saved, press this star icon in the target language result, and now it has been saved. So if you want to check the items or text or words that you have translated and saved, tap on the star icon down below, and here you will be able to find all your translations. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.